Hey there, homeowners. Are you ready to make your home more comfortable and energy efficient? Let's talk about your thermostat. It's a small device, but it plays a huge role in your home's comfort and energy usage. It's that little box on the wall that controls your home's temperature, ensuring you stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. An old thermostat can make your furnace or AC work too hard, leading to inefficiency and discomfort. This wastes energy and costs you more money as your heating and cooling systems struggle to maintain the desired temperature. A new thermostat can help you save money on your energy bills by optimizing your heating and cooling system's performance. Upgrading to a new thermostat is a smart move. Not only will it save you money, but it will also enhance your home's comfort. New thermostats are more accurate, providing precise control over your home's temperature. This means your home will be more comfortable, with fewer temperature fluctuations and more consistent heating and cooling. New thermostats can also be programmed to fit your lifestyle. You can set it to automatically adjust the temperature throughout the day, ensuring comfort when you're home and energy savings when you're not. Imagine waking up to a warm house in the winter or coming home to a cool house in the summer without having to manually adjust the thermostat. Replacing your thermostat is a job you can do yourself. With a few simple tools and a little bit of time, you can have a new thermostat installed and working. It's not as hard as you might think. Many modern thermostats come with easy-to-follow instructions and online tutorials to guide you through the process. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step of the process, from removing your old thermostat to installing and programming your new one. With a little time and effort, you'll have a brand new thermostat up and running in no time. So let's get started and make your home more comfortable and energy efficient today. Before we get started, let's gather our tools and materials. Having everything ready before you begin will save you time and frustration. Having everything on hand makes the job smoother and more efficient. Here's a comprehensive list of what you'll need to get the job done right. First, you'll need a new thermostat. Choose one that fits your system. There are many types available, so make sure to pick one that is compatible with your heating and cooling setup. We'll discuss compatibility in more detail later. Next, you'll need a set of screwdrivers. Both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers are essential. These will help you remove the old thermostat and install the new one securely. Electrical tape is another crucial item. It's used for securing wire connections and ensuring they stay in place. This helps prevent any electrical issues down the line. Wire strippers are necessary for exposing the wire ends if needed. This tool makes it easy to strip the insulation off the wires without damaging them. A level is important to make sure your new thermostat is straight. An uneven thermostat can affect its performance and appearance. A pencil is handy for marking the wall where you'll be installing the new thermostat. This ensures precise placement and alignment. A drill might be needed for mounting the new thermostat base. Make sure you have the right drill bits for the job. Having the right tools is important for any job. It not only makes the process easier, but also ensures that the installation is done correctly and safely. Make sure you have everything on this list before you begin. Double-checking your tools and materials can save you from unnecessary trips to the store. If you're not sure about something, don't hesitate to ask for help at your local hardware store. The employees there can offer valuable advice and ensure you have the right tools and materials for your project. Remember, preparation is key to a successful installation. Before you touch any wires, turn off the power to your heating and cooling system. This is very important for your safety. Find your electrical panel and turn off the breaker that controls your thermostat. Now carefully remove the cover of your old thermostat. There might be screws holding it in place. Once the cover is off, take a picture of the wiring. This will help you when you connect the new thermostat. Turning off the power is the most important step. Double check that the power is off before you touch any wires. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's best to call a licensed electrician. Loosen the screws holding the old thermostat base to the wall. Gently remove the old thermostat and disconnect the wires. If the wires are labeled, make a note of the labels. If not, use small pieces of electrical tape to label them yourself. Now is a good time to clean the area around where the thermostat was mounted. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. Take your time removing the old thermostat. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard. Labeling the wires is important. This will help you connect the new thermostat correctly. Section 5. Connecting the wires. Matching up the colors. This is a crucial step in ensuring your new thermostat functions correctly. Take your new thermostat out of the box and read the instructions carefully. This might seem like a simple task, but it's essential to understand the specific requirements and recommendations from the manufacturer. Each thermostat is a little different, so it's important to follow the manufacturer's directions. These instructions will guide you through the process and help you avoid any potential issues. Generally, you'll need to connect the wires from your wall to the corresponding terminals on the new thermostat base. This step is where attention to detail is critical. Match the wire colors to the terminals on the thermostat base. This might sound straightforward, but it's important to ensure each wire is connected to the correct terminal. Usually red goes to R, which stands for the power wire. This wire is responsible for providing the necessary power to your thermostat. White goes to W, which typically controls the heating system. Ensuring this connection is secure will help maintain your home's heating efficiency. Secure the wires to the terminals using the screws provided. Tightening these screws properly will ensure a stable and reliable connection. If you have extra wires, don't worry. These extra wires might be for additional features or future upgrades. Just cap them off with electrical tape. This will prevent any accidental short circuits or electrical issues. Connecting the wires correctly is crucial. Double-check each connection to ensure everything is in place and secure. If you're unsure about any of the connections, consult the wiring diagram in your thermostat's instructions. This diagram is a valuable resource that can help clarify any confusion. If you're still unsure, call a qualified electrician for assistance. It's always better to seek professional help than to risk improper installation, which could lead to malfunction or damage. Section 6. Mounting the new thermostat. Once the wires are connected, carefully tuck them back into the wall. Then, align the new thermostat base on the wall and use a level to make sure it's straight. Mark the screw holes with a pencil. If needed, use a drill to create pilot holes for the screws. Attach the new thermostat base to the wall using the screws provided. Now, snap the thermostat cover onto the base. Take your time mounting the base. A level ensures your thermostat is straight, which just looks better. Don't over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the wall or the thermostat base. Section 7. Power up and test. Is it working? Turn the power back on at the breaker box. You should see your new thermostat light up. Follow the on-screen prompts to set the date, time, and your desired temperature. Once everything is set, wait a few minutes to see if your heating or cooling system kicks on. Check to make sure the temperature is adjusting correctly. If your system doesn't turn on, double-check your wiring connections and make sure the thermostat is set to the correct mode, heating or cooling. If you're still having trouble, refer to the troubleshooting section in your thermostat's manual or call a professional for help. Section 8. Troubleshooting. What if something's wrong? Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. If your new thermostat isn't working correctly, don't panic. Here are a few things to check. Power. Make sure the power is turned on at the breaker. Wiring. Double-check that all the wires are connected securely into the correct terminals. Thermostat settings. Make sure the thermostat is set to the correct mode, heating or cooling, and that the temperature setting is correct. If you've checked all of these things and your thermostat is still not working, it's time to call in a professional. Section 9. Setting up your new thermostat. Many new thermostats come with programmable features. This means you can set different temperatures for different times of day. For example, you can set it to be cooler at night while you're sleeping and warmer in the morning when you wake up. Programmable thermostats can help you save even more money on your energy bills. Take some time to explore the different settings and features of your new thermostat. Some new thermostats can even be controlled remotely using your smartphone or tablet. This gives you even more control over your home's comfort and energy usage. Section 10. Enjoying the comfort and savings. Congratulations. You've successfully replaced your old thermostat with a new one. Now you can relax and enjoy the comfort of a perfectly heated or cooled home. And don't forget about the money you'll be saving on your energy bills. By taking the time to upgrade your thermostat, you've made a smart investment in your home's comfort and efficiency. Remember to change your air filter regularly. This will help your heating and cooling system run efficiently and extend its lifespan. Section 11. Need help? Don't be afraid to call a pro. If you're not comfortable tackling this project yourself, or if you run into any problems along the way, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician or HVAC technician. They have the experience and expertise to get the job done safely and correctly. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. There you have it. Now you have all the information you need to replace your old thermostat with a new one. So go ahead, take the plunge and enjoy the many benefits of a modern energy-efficient thermostat in your home.